Now, by the way, you could check this answer by typing this into your calculator, and it would give you this answer because it's just going to calculate that for you. Okay, now, however, if the exponent is big enough, such as this one, I'm not sure this one would actually fit in the calculator because really big numbers, your calculator only has, I'm not sure, 8 or 9 spots, so there's a limit to how much it can show you. So if it's too big for the calculator, your calculator automatically changes it back into scientific notation. All right, so now we're going to do the reverse. Now we have the numbers in standard form. We're going to change them to scientific notation. So what we want to do in order to figure that out, we want to figure out where does the decimal place go in order for it to be a number that's between 1 and 10. So right now, definitely not between 1 and 10. So I just kind of move backwards. Right now the decimal is here, right? A decimal is always at the end of the number, so I just keep moving it until it becomes between 1 and 10. So no, no, no. If it's there, that's 543. If I put it there, that's 54.3. Again, not between 1 and 10. So I move it all the way until there's just one number in front of the decimal. So that's 5.43. All right, notice I didn't say the zeros because I'm moving it over and my decimal just has to represent where my numbers are. The zeros we leave off, but then we say times 10 to the, well, however many times we moved it. Well, we moved it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. All right, and it would be a positive exponent because this was a large number. Any number above 1, we're talking about is large number. All right, so that's scientific notation. Okay. Now this one's a small number. My decimal place is currently here, so I want to move it over until it makes a number between 1 and 10. So if I put it there, it's 0.7, not between 1 and 10. So I got to go one more place, and if I put it there, that would be 7.09, and 7.09 is between 1 and 10. And then I just say times 10 to the, well, we moved it over 1, 2, 3 spots to do this. Okay, now don't forget with this one, it was a small number below 1, so that would be 10 to the negative 3 power. All right, one more. Again, we have a small decimal. So again, we want to move it over until it's between 1 and 10. So 1, 2, 3, that's 0.8. And one more time, it's 8.11. So it would be 8.11 times 10 to the, when we moved it, 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. And then one more thing, since it was a number below 1, that's a small number, that would be a negative exponent. Okay, so always think your small numbers that are below 1 are your negative exponents, the numbers that are above 1 are your positive exponents. All right, so that's your lesson on how to write numbers in scientific notation.